She touched him. He breathed again. She is just a child. Leave her be.
The girl is not like us.
Keep your distance from her mother. Don't look at them, Zibere. Just keep walking with me.
They saw what I did, but they don't see what I am. Sometimes, neither do I.
You have been quiet tonight.
The fire is telling stories. It says not all light is safe. You always speak like an old soul.
You must be ready, Zibere. A great darkness is coming.
You are not here to hurt me.
I know your heart, little one. I knew your mother, Maria.
My mother.
She hid you with her last breath. Her courage lives in your name. But her hunters are now hunting you.
Why?
Why? Why?
You were born between two worlds, flesh and spirit. Light.
Zibere! Where have you wandered? You cannot just run off alone.
I wasn't alone. I found a friend of my mother's.
I am not just a girl with a gift. I am a daughter with a duty. You carry the weight of those who came before you, child. Look closely.
You came back for me.
I never left you, child. I walk where your blood remembers.
I dream of my mother, but I can never see her face.
Because you were not ready. Now, you are ready to see. She ran from fire to freedom. They did not want her death. They wanted her family's silence.
Zibere! Live!
I may die today, but my child will walk with light.
My blood will rise again.
His hate. It began before him.